Hi, it's JJs from JJs Play World. Today we can open the military truck.
Military truck.
Military truck. Awesome. Let's see. Let's take a closer look.
It's a Fay brand radio control series military truck. It's 4-wheel drive. It's battery operated with a strong motor. 2.4 gigahertz remote control. 1/16 full scale, and there's a camera as well.
Get this thing out!
All right, you ready to open it?
Military force truck.
I'm so excited!
Okay, so let me just
Like,
right here.
comment, subscribe our channel.
You can carry it too.
It comes with these.
Carry on. All right.
And this truck.
Look like we got some assembling to do. Unless you can change the wheels. I believe you can change the wheels.
Charger. It comes with a charger.
See, it's like a.
Mommy, it comes with a charger. It comes with a charger. Guys, we back. So we set the car with the. We opened this. We fixed this. We put the camera on, and we connected that.
Okay, so Daddy's gonna explain a little bit better.
Open this. And
Okay, here we go. So it has the 4 Caterpillar wheels. It also comes with a set of, I guess, like regular off-road 4x4 tires. And there's a
charger.
yeah, there's a USB charger to charge the battery. So here's the USB charger. It comes with a little handy-dandy screwdriver. So when you have to put the batteries into the remote here, the control.
Yeah, that was a
plus.
That was a plus.
So you have a little screwdriver here to get that on the go. And the battery's here under the hood. And you basically just connect them. You know, you connect those and you're all set. You power it up.
But however, we did need batteries for the remote control.
You need two AA batteries for the remote. Oh, and there's an app for the camera. So that's basically the camera view. Basically, this is the you have the app. You have to connect to it. You have to find the Wi-Fi. We had some working out to do with the Wi-Fi, but we got it. It was actually pretty simple. Once you find which Wi-Fi it is, you pretty much basically click on it. It says no internet connected. That's why I was confused about it. But I left it on and it popped on. Came right on. So the camera, it was separately attached. So basically you just snap the camera in here. Let's take it out. So you snap the camera in, and the little cord here, it connects right here into the base of the truck. So once the camera's on,
How cool is
you
that?
can see it here. And there's JJ. Say hi, JJ.
Hi, JJ.
So you pretty much connect this little stand and comes separate as well
there's
to
a
the
little
remote.
stand here, and you just snap it into the top of the remote.
Hi, me.
And you're basically ready to drive. And
So now it's time for the fun part. So let's just figure out how to work.
okay, so the knob here is for left and right. This is your directional pad.
I see.
And you got the trigger here. Pull the trigger to go forward, and you push it up to go backwards. I mean, and that's basically it.
So any fancy remote control settings on the app?
so the app, it's tricky. So the little eye here, it makes the directional. I believe this directional pads here, it's supposed to make the camera, look left and right and up and down, but we haven't quite figured that part out yet. That's gonna take some reading.
Let's see, can we look at the headlights?
Truck has some little handy headlights.
And they're pretty bright. You can't tell, but they're pretty bright. We'll be able to tell more at night. But okay, now for the fun part. Let's get to driving it. Who wants to drive it?
Me.
Let me look at JJ, see what he's looking at.
gonna go to myself.
So on the instructions it does say to charge it for a while, and we did not. So this might not be a long ride today. So we just wanted to test it out, and maybe we can ride it a little bit more tomorrow.
And we put the other wheels on it.
And we can put the other wheels and test them out, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. So tell everyone we'll be back so you can see more tomorrow.
We'll be back so you can see something tomorrow.
All right, we're gonna charge it. We'll see you guys in a bit.
I gotta be back. We gotta back over these.
Okay guys, so we charged the military truck overnight, and we are gonna explore and see what the camera is looking at on the truck. So JJ has lined up his superheroes by his room, and we're gonna run over them. Okay, so as you can see, JJ, I am looking at the camera. So let's see what he's doing. This is pretty neat. Whoa! On top of the truck. So cool. And see, that's inside JJ's room. Oh, the truck's going inside his tent. You can see the bottom of your bed, JJ. Look. See that? Okay, so let's see what else. How about you put him like bowling? Oh, he's running over the... Guys, look. He just ran over all his superheroes. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, do it again. Let's see if he can run over all of them. Don't get in the way, though. Oh, so go back over it. Also has the option to record. As you can see, I have the red button. So this is going to be cool to look back. We're going to go outside and see what the truck captures.
Like, comment, subscribe,